Good evening mga Boss Under. Welcome to our channel, Boss Under TV. So ngayon nandito kami sa awarding ng Philippine Gulf Navy Tournament. So let's go. Tingnan natin kung masaya. Maraming raffle. So siguro baka makachamba tayo. So maraming raffle to, kotse, motor, yung appliances, marami. Masaya to, masayang raffle na to.
Kailan ba naganap itong event na to?
So 4 days yata ang tournament, no? 4 days.
4 days.
Brother.
4 days?
So shout out sa mga kadi ng Philippine Navy. Isang kotse lang, ang dami nagkaganda. Gusto mo na. Shout out kay Wally. Wally. Oy, Yuga. Oy,
We invite everyone and remove their territory for our invitation. Mahesh Kamite, General Secretary, Yancia! Yes! Ganyan naman! Pati yung mga kasama niya. Yung siya parang sila. This is worth almost 8,500. Almost 8,500.
Bilangin mo.
Last one. Okay.
200.
Going once. Going twice.
Oh, another 1,000.
Officially gone. Almost 8,500.
Lugi pa siya.
Yes.
Sabi ko 200 lang.
Gerard Marie.
Gerard Marin, get over his chair. Score of 338 draws for the top 5 players. Ang ating team championship of our PNGC year-end tournament.
si Gold. Okay, ano pa masasabi nyo? Ano pa masasabi nyo?
Ito na ang ano, pinaghihirapan ng mafia at saka ng Italian job. Ito na ang katibayan.
Others offer around 50,000 the following day, Lieutenant Josel.
Asa yung trophy?